Good morning. Working down this end today. So we are changing the posts. We put the posts in at 6 foot. We didn't. We put 6 foot posts in so they were at 4 foot. So it'd go with this height all the way around to the wall. Now they've changed that to 6 foot so they can't see in there. We're gravelling it. They're dug out now. We're gravelling it. Tom's just doing his ASOS pose. And then we are working out, so like this will get done. We're on about doing this gate as well today. And then like tomorrow, Wednesday, porcelain, working out. Once again, it's just so we can get in with access rather than lifting everything up steps. Let's just get in and get round and done in it, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a warm one. Look at this. Not even got my uniform on. How unprofessional is this? I won't start moaning about it, but at 6 o'clock in the morning, when I can't find a t-shirt and I pick up a grey t-shirt because I've got like 5 garden revamps ones, I get downstairs and this is it. So I go back upstairs, try to look with a torch on, being quiet, you know, because our lass likes to, she doesn't like her sleeping, she's just a dick on a morning. Again, like Tom. So I'll just get told off. So I thought, you know what, I'm not even going back upstairs, I'm going to have this t-shirt on and that's it. And it's chuffing too hot for a jumper. So I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry to myself, I'm not advertising to you who I am, Nike for your money. Anyway, but Nike, if you want to collab, have a chat. Right, yeah, get on. See you soon. too, we'll cut them off. I was thinking fucking straight, is it? Can't remember how many it is for 6 foot. I can't. I'll just put it on. No. Should we get some on?
Oh, would you look at that?
Would you look at that? I'm gonna push that too. Push onto that. Gently. Would you look at that? Proper Irish come out of you, ain't it?
Oh, Brian.
What about it? So I've just got biggest thing as well.
What is that?
Massive, isn't it? measurement off of that curb to this. Do it side to side, see first. That's it.
Done this before?
9:30.
Give it 10.
No, I can't give it a second. It's 9:30.
9:30 at bottom.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah. Is it even that? Oh, it's render. Just one background. Yep. Try and keep it down so. Cool. Right, we're done. It is 2:10. We have got some running around to do, some quotes, and a bit of admin. Sorry, I was driving. Bit of admin crap to do, which is very, very, very important before we go to football training tonight. So I'm gonna go do that because it needs doing. Tomorrow, porcelain in that corner. Get every little fraction bit done as we can. So yes, I shall see you in the morning, 8 o'clock sharp.